Let's explore the significance of the 833 area code in North America's toll-free number system. The 833 area code is a North American toll-free number, like 800, 888, 877, 866, 855, and 844, enabling businesses to offer free calls to customers. An 833 toll-free number boosts your business's credibility and customer satisfaction by offering easy, free contact. To easily get an 833 toll-free number, you should contact a telecommunications provider. An 833 number includes call forwarding, voicemail, and SMS, ensuring efficient call management and customer connectivity. Boost business communication with an 833 toll-free number from a trusted telecom provider. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more business communication tips and updates. My Country Mobile, your communication and technology partners.